How to change card on your Netflix account. So if you want to be able to change your card on your Netflix account, what you have to do is I would recommend you open your browser instead of the app. So open your browser and just go to this address, which is netflix.com/account. I repeat, netflix.com/account, and log into your Netflix account. It will directly take you to your account management page. Now over here, you'll find this option called payment method. If you have already removed your current payment method, then you can see this option called add payment method. You can tap on this add payment method and then you'll be able to add another payment method that you have right over here. This is the way on how you can easily manage your payment method on Netflix. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.